Millions may wake up to a picture-perfect Memorial Day, but for the Deep South, this holiday is turning into a weather nightmare. While families across the plains and Great Lakes fire up grills under crystal blue skies, a dangerous flood setup is exploding from the Gulf Coast into the southeast, threatening to wash out travel, drown roads, and ruin outdoor plans in hours. For cities like Kansas City, Minneapolis, Detroit, and parts of the central US, the atmosphere is unusually calm. No violent storms, no tornado threat, just blazing sunshine, warm temperatures, low humidity, and postcard-perfect weather stretching for hundreds of miles. It's the kind of holiday weather people dream about. Burgers sizzling on the grill, temperatures in the 70s and 80s, and skies so clear they almost look fake. A giant dome of sinking air is crushing storm development completely, leaving rain chances near zero. But while the North enjoys paradise, the South is staring down a completely different reality. A slow-moving tropical moisture machine is now locking into place over the Gulf Coast, pumping dangerous amounts of water into states already soaked from days of relentless rain. Forecasters are warning that parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, and Georgia could see 7 to 10 inches of rain in just a matter of hours. Some neighborhoods may experience rainfall rates of up to 3 inches per hour, enough to overwhelm drainage systems almost instantly. This is not your average rainy Memorial Day. Roads could disappear underwater, vehicles could stall in rapidly rising flash floods, entire intersections may become impassable before people even realize how serious the situation is. Areas along Interstate 10 and Interstate 85 are especially vulnerable, with floodwaters expected to surge during the afternoon and evening hours Monday, right when millions are trying to travel or gather outdoors. And the worst part? The ground cannot absorb any more water. Many of these same regions were hammered with 4 to 8 inches of rain over the weekend, meaning the soil is already completely saturated. Every additional downpour now becomes immediate runoff, pouring straight into creeks, streams, neighborhoods, and low-lying roads. Flash flooding could repeatedly strike the same areas for several days in a row. Cities like New Orleans, Mobile, Birmingham, Jackson, and Atlanta are all in the danger zone. Meteorologists say this flooding setup is being fueled by tropical moisture levels running more than twice above normal for late May. The atmosphere is essentially overloaded with water vapor, and thunderstorms will act like fire hoses, unloading massive amounts of rain in extremely short periods of time. By Tuesday, the danger shifts west. West Texas is expected to erupt with severe thunderstorms as a volatile dryline setup develops across the region. Forecasters warn that powerful supercells could explode across Midland, Odessa, eastern New Mexico, and surrounding areas, bringing giant hail, destructive winds, and even isolated tornadoes. Some hailstones could grow as large as hen eggs. Wind gusts may exceed 70 miles per hour, and rotating storms could rapidly intensify during the afternoon and evening hours. Drivers could suddenly find themselves trapped in blinding rain and hailstorms capable of shattering windows and damaging vehicles within seconds. But Texas faces another major threat beyond the severe storms: more flooding. South Central Texas and the I-35 corridor are expected to see another surge of tropical moisture Tuesday night into Wednesday, with additional rounds of heavy rain falling onto ground that is already dangerously saturated. Forecasters warn that flash flooding could develop extremely quickly, especially in urban areas where water collects fast. A few inches of rain may be enough to trigger life-threatening flooding. Meanwhile, parts of the Ohio Valley and Appalachians are also under increasing concern as repeated downpours target hilly terrain and already swollen creeks. Flooding in mountain valleys can intensify rapidly, with water funneling downhill into small towns and roadways with little warning. So while some Americans enjoy flawless sunshine and cookouts this Memorial Day, millions of others are preparing for a dangerous stretch of flooding rains, severe storms, giant hail, and travel chaos that could last well beyond the holiday itself.